To compress a folder to zip on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app, navigate to the folder where you want to compress to zip, long tap the folder to select it, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right, and then select compress. Here you can use the provided name or you can type a new name for the zip file. However, if you have concern with the security, check the radio button next to the protect with password. Type a password so that everyone who wants to open the zip file should enter the password first. Tap compress to start compressing the selected folder to zip. As a note, the zip file will be saved in the same folder where the folder is in. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.